Are you interested in criminal justice but don't have the funds for a 4-year college? Check out the Lewis University 3+1 Criminal Justice Program. Our innovative 3+1 concept allows a majority of degree credits to transfer from community colleges, requiring only a small number of Lewis credit hours to complete the degree. This program offers a tuition reduction, making the total 4-year cost less than 1 year of standard Lewis tuition. Qualified students are also able to take advantage of our 4+1 Fast Track graduate program while completing their undergraduate degree. Classes are available online at the Romeoville campus and at some of our partner institutions. With the Criminal Justice 3+1 program at Lewis University, you can gain the knowledge and skills needed for success in law enforcement, probation, corrections, and private sector roles. The curriculum tackles issues guided by seasoned faculty with regional and federal expertise. Students gain real-world insights through internships with Lewis University partners. More than 600 students have graduated from the first-of-its-kind 3+1 program, many finding employment on the local, state, and federal level, as well as continuing their education in graduate and law school. Unlock your potential at Lewis University with the Criminal Justice Program. Visit lewisu.edu to learn more.